So, before we get into the topic of our podcast this time, it would be better if we got to know each other first. Would that it?
That's really true.
Just introduce me, Salisa Rahmawati, with the last name 16.
I'm Arima Prastia Margareta with the last name 11.
I am Rafita Tulasana and the last name 9.
I'm Nadia Faris Samawanti with the last name 12. So, we from group 11 of the Professional English course will have a short podcast on the topic of physical geography of Asia. So guys, what do you think come to your mind when you hear the word of Asia?
In my opinion, Asia is the large continent in the world.
Yes, I agree with Rafi's opinion. Because Asia is very large, its territory can be divided into 5 main physical regions: mountain system, plateaus, plains, steppes, and desert, freshwater environment, and saltwater environment. Asia covers about 30% of the Earth's land area. It is also to the world's most populous continent, with about 60% of the total population.
Wow,
It turns out Asia is really big. Guys, do you know what regions of borders on Asia?
I know. Northern Asia border the Arctic Ocean, the Southeast border the Indian Ocean, to the West-East border the European continent, the Ural Mountain, the Caspian Sea, the Black Sea, the Bosporus Strait, the Dardanelles Strait, the Mediterranean Sea, the Suez Canal, and the Red Sea. I'm close. Salisa said earlier that the Asia continent can be divided into 5 regions. So, what do you know about these 5 regional divisions?
I know. The first one is the mountain system. The existing mountain system include the Himalayas, the Tian Shan mountain system, and the Ural Mountains. One that will be explained is the Ural Mountains, which starts for about 2,500 kilometers in an indirect north-south route from Russia to Kazakhstan. The Ural Mountains are among the oldest in the world, 250 million to 1,500 million years old.
The second is in the form of highlands. Asia is home to many plateaus, which are relative flat highlands area. The Deccan Plateau from most southern India. The average height of the plateau is about 600 meters. It is bordered by 3 mountains ranges such as Satpura Mountains to the north and the eastern and western Ghats on either side. The plateau and its many waterways, the Godavari and Krishna River, slope gently toward the eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. The is the freshwater environment and there is Lake Baikal, which is located in southern Russia, which is the deepest lake in the world, reaching a depth of 1,620 meters. This lake contains 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater, making it the world's largest reservoir. This lake is also the oldest lake in the world, 25 million years old. Apart from that, there is the longest river in Asia and the third longest river in the world, reaching 6,300 kilometers in length. The fourth region is plains, steppes, and desert. On the Asian continent, there is the largest plain in the world, namely the West Siberian Plain, which stretches for around 2,400 kilometers. Apart from that, Central Asia is also dominated by steppes, namely large areas of flat and forest grassland. There is also the Rub al Khali Desert, which is considered the largest sea of sand in the world, covering an area larger than shrines in Saudi Arabia, Oman, the United Arab Emirates, and Yemen.
And the last one is saltwater. There is the Bay of Bengal, which is the largest bay in the world, covering almost 839,000 square miles, and borders Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Burma. Many major rivers, including the Ganges and Brahmaputra, flow into the bay. The soil wetland formed by the Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers in the Bay of Bengal is the largest delta in the world.
Now that we know the 5 features that exist on the Asian continent, what about the flora and fauna that are spread across the Asian continent? Do you know anything, guys? I know. Flora and fauna in Asia are divided into the types, namely aquatic and terrestrial. For aquatic flora and fauna, as freshwater and many habitats offer extraordinary biodiversity. The Bay of Bengal in the Indian Ocean is one of the largest tropical marine ecosystems in the world. Apart from that, for terrestrial flora and fauna, Asia is determined the way animals are domestic. In the Himalayas, people use big animals.
Wow, that's a great explanation from you guys. Thank you for joining us for this podcast. We hope you enjoy our discussion about the physical geography of Asia, and hopefully that we discuss in this conversation is impress your knowledge about the physical condition of Asia. See you later.